A company like Mahindra has taken so much of एक उन्होंने इतना ज़्यादा कैपिटल लगाया है, इतना पैसा लगाया है, उन्होंने नेविस्टार जैसा पार्टनर ढूंढा है, एंड इफ दे आर कमिंग आउट विद अ प्रोडक्ट तो हम लोग समझते हैं कि प्रोडक्ट अच्छा ही होगा. एंड बीइंग फ्रॉम दिस स्टेट हम लोग we want to give this product a chance to set itself name in the market and to see how what is the quality of the product और हमारे business को कितना impact कर सकता है. Being in this state हमारे ऐसा ना हो कि हम लोग इसको try ना करें और एक opportunity हमारे हाथ से रह जाए. I mean there are few cars from Mahindra, few utility vehicles like Bolero, like Scorpio, like XUV 500 now which are known to be have such a broad spread in the country that I have seen them being used in deepest ends of India where the roads are of very bad condition, there are no good service centers, and even the villagers who drive them very rashly and roughly because they don't have much experience. But yet the product does not die down, they have a good running life of 10 years. So that was the first thing which I had expected from the new truck, to have that certain bit of ruggedness in it, that certain bit of go anywhere, do anything sort of applications to be doing. That was my first thing. We've only been using them for 6 months, so I cannot comment on their long-term durability yet. But from what we have seen and from what we could make out with the build and the build quality and the chassis of the trucks, we think that over a longer period of time they will be able to give the same quality as they have given in the first 6 months. They are pretty happy with the quality again. They are happy with the fuel economy which they are getting. If he is happy, I'm sure the returns will all come to us. जो ड्राइवर्स पहले दूसरे ट्रक चलाना चाह रहे थे या जो दूसरे ट्रक चलाते थे, they were more comfortable with it. वो लोग भी कह रहे हैं कि हमको भी ट्रायल करने के लिए दो, हम भी चला के देखना चाहते हैं कि कैसा चलता है, कैसा इकॉनमी आ रहा है. The service has been good with Navistar, and the benefit we have sitting here in Sanjay Gandhi Transport Nagar is that the main dealer is only 5 kilometers away. So for us, जैसे मैंने आपको पहले ही कहा था कि अगर कोई भी ट्रक सर्विस पे जाता है तो इट इज़ अ लॉस ऑफ 3 to 4 days ऑफ रनिंग उस ट्रक के लिए. पर हमारे लिए वो इम्प्लाई नहीं होता बिकॉज द डीलर इज़ क्लोज बाय. अगर कोई मेरा ट्रक रात को खाली हुआ और उसको मैं उसी टाइम रात को सर्विस सेंटर भेज सकता हूँ, वो नेक्स्ट डे ही दिन में सर्विस होके शाम तक वो गाड़ी सर्विस होके रेडी हो सकती है. तो हमारे को नेविस्टार में डेफिनेटली ये एडवांटेज है कि हमारा डे लॉस जो है एज़ कम्पेयर टू अदर मैन्युफैक्चर काफ़ी कम है. इट बीइंग न्यू वी शुड पे हमारा उसकी तरफ एक एक्स्ट्रा ध्यान होना चाहिए कि मतलब मुझे फर्स्ट, क्योंकि मुझे 1 साल तक उसको वी हैव इट अंडर ऑब्जर्वेशन, तो एक अलग उसको अटेंशन देना ज़रूरी है. इवन दो महिंद्रा इज़ इन ट्रैक्टर्स एंड इन कार्स विच इज़ नॉट रियली related to transport field, but we have seen what they have as a group achieved over a certain period of time. And in fact only recently Mr. Ratan Tata himself also applauded Mahindra as a group and what they have been able to achieve in such short span of time, and they were even able to overtake Tata in passenger car segment. So that definitely helps, and we feel that if they are into this, they are into this wholeheartedly. And at the first award ceremony, Mr. Anand Mahindra was himself there. So we feel that he is there, so he also has a certain bit of attachment with his Mahindra Navistar arm. So having the main man there definitely helps.